Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, now I will tell a story about one man in a boat. Fishing is my favorite sport. I often fishing for hours without catching anything. But that's not worrying me. Some fishermen are unlucky. Instead of catching fish, they are catch old woods and rubbish. I'm even less lucky. I'm not even catch an old woods. After doing sport whole morning, I always go home with an empty bag. You must give up fishing, my friend said. It's a waste of time. But they don't realize one of important thing. Yeah, uh, I'm not really interested on fishing or anything like that. I'm interested on sitting in a boat without doing anything. Okay, so maybe that's all for the story. That's why I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.